out that what the negative component in cheap metals is lead and nickel, more importantly. And so she has a really severe minor allergy to nickel. And I come to find out that she's not alone. There's a large population percentage. I'd say over 30% of women have a nickel sensitivity. And I don't see that trend getting any better either, right? It's growing, so to speak. And then come to find out that many of our titanium implant companies, you know, when they first started making these things, I remember the Nobel back in the day, they started using pure titanium for implants. And while most people, I don't think there's a true necessarily titanium allergy, you can speak to that. But what happens is when you mill titanium too small, it fractures, it flowers, right? So when the diameter is too small, it couldn't take the tooth that was sitting on it. So the companies, to get the implant size small enough in diameter, what do? They started adding base metals. And what do they add? Nickel, as well as some other metals. And now, I know one implant company in particular, up 3 to 5% of the composition of that implant is nickel. So do I really want to put that in one of my female patients' mouths who has a sensitivity and could react to it? So seeing this trend of people that already have sensitivities to certain metals that are being added to our implants, and I didn't know that was happening, as well as the autoimmune issues that people are having, kind of put me on this path. And then the third thing that kind of interested me is what I call the holistic-ish movement, right? This mindset of trend and consumers. And I like to watch what businesses are doing, because whatever's successful shows me what the marketplace wants, what the mindset of the consumers are out there. And so one of the trends I noticed was that we're seeing stores like Whole Foods and Trader Joe's grow, and Sprouts, and all of these other stores and or services, which I call holistic-ish. Not true holistic, which some people view that as a fringe term, but I call holistic-ish meaning people that just want a healthier option. Okay? To me, that's what holistic-ish is. And when I see those stores rise, that's what it's showing me. The market wants a healthier option. And in our world, healthier means less inflammation, less rejection, less other factors, so to speak. So to me, ceramic implants kind of checked a whole lot of boxes.